Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we figured let's just take you guys with us for a full day of Genesis detailing. We have Jacob here. Say what's up to everyone.
Hello. This video is sponsored by Rain.
It isn't, but I would like to get sponsored by Rain because we drink these things a lot and they're not good for you, but like they're good for you because they get you going.
And I don't think I can make it through a day without a Rain.
This is my new favorite flavor. I normally drink the blue and yellow one, the lemon drop thing I think it is, but this is my new favorite. Leave your favorite flavor down below in the comments.
Let me know what you guys like to drink. But
today we got a M4 CS that is filthy. I mean, look at this thing. We got a Porsche Panamera, and we're not doing that car. Just these two. And they're white, which is going to be very easy. Jacob's starting on the wheels already. Spraying our, what product you're using?
Wheel cleaner Adams, polishes always.
Always.
What we're doing on these things are nice wash and wax. Just using the spray wax because I like to do that for all my maintenance details. Makes my life easier on the next wash and keeps the cars looking a lot better than what they are after a basic wash. So you saw the before videos. I'm going to show you guys a little bit after, a little beginning, middle, and end type of video.
But let's get this process started. Jacob, set up the pressure washer. Let's get going.
So we got both cars washed and air dried. So now we're moving on to our spray wax. We got Adam's spray wax right here. I don't charge extra to spray wax the car because it's like the same thing as using detail spray. The only difference is you have to use 2 towels and like 1 towel because it does haze and you don't want to leave streaks behind. And I don't charge because like that's just adding an extra care for your clients' vehicles and it makes them look a lot shinier at the end. And you know you're giving them that extra care, so next time you do wash your car, it makes it a lot easier for you to remove all the dirt because it beads up and makes it.
Video sponsored by Rain.
But yeah, as I was saying, it makes your life a lot easier the next time you come back and wash these cars, and that's building the whole client trust relationship because, like I said, I'm using the spray wax, not just the detail spray, so you're adding protection, not only just wiping the car down. What are you complaining about over there?
You, bro, you're horrible.
This guy's complaining about it's hot out here. We're mobile detailers, Jacob. You don't complain about the heat.
Oh, yes, you do.
No, you don't. He's complaining because they want to do this car now, and it's like 100 degrees out here. It is actually 95 degrees, which is very, very hot, but we use spotless water, pH neutral soap, like if you watch my last video. Soap does not affect the way we wash the car, so we can get this car done no problem. Yeah, alright, so both cars are now finished inside and out. Give you a little overview of what we did on the interior. Backing everything up, dusted all the vents, wiped all the seats down. It's basically a nice little mini detail. All the doors got wiped down using our Adams interior cleaner. Windows inside and out are wiped down to a streak-free finish, especially the front windshield. Paint, like I said, we did a full 2-bucket wash on both of these vehicles. Did a final wipe down with the Adams spray wax. Wheels got wheel cleaner, everything shined up using Adams tire shine. It's very hot out here, but like I said, mobile detailers, you got to deal with this stuff and it's very hard to deal with, but the best thing I can recommend for you guys is to use spotless water and a good soap that will not stain your paint. As you guys can see, the paint is in pristine condition still, no water spots, none of the windows are spotted. But on to the next job. Let's get going. Alright, so here at the other job and we're all set up already. Jacob's already getting started. He sprayed down all the wheels. What we're doing to this thing is just nice heavy maintenance detail and working a lot on the interior because it is dirty and dusty. But like we always say, start with the wheels, pre-rinse, foam it, 2-bucket wash, then air dry, wipe down, vacuum up the inside, wipe it all down, dust all the vents, and this car will be done. So let's get going. Alright, so the Tesla is now completed. We did our 2-bucket method wash. We put some tire shine, clean up all the wheel wells, the inner fenders. Then we're moving on to the interior. I don't really show you guys what we do on the interior, but it's very simple, just something basic. We like to keep it clean, so vacuum, pull the carpets up, vacuum under them, vacuum the surfaces, squeeze in between the seats so there's no more dust and stuff. Use our interior brush and into all the vents, clean up the screen. Doors get used with the interior detailer. And it's just basically a nice, very thorough interior cleaning without having to do too much scrubbing and dressing. And now that the Tesla's done, we gotta pull out the Lincoln in there in the garage. Let me see if you guys can see that. Pull the Lincoln out, swap them around, and get going on that. Alright, we got the Lincoln pulled up. We got the Tesla parked over there. This thing is gonna be a mission. Let's just say that. It's a black car, a ginormous SUV, and it is filthy. Like, this thing is dirty. I mean, I want to see what we can do with just the wash if it doesn't clean up well. I mean, look at the inner fenders. Like, that's just going to need a heavy pressure wash. But want to do the best we can for just the wash. Jacob, get the pressure wash started. I'm not gonna record too much of this car just because I already know you've seen what 3 cars already. You guys don't need to see the 4th one being washed over and over again. So you guys saw the befores. I'll show you guys the after and go on from there. Actually, let's show you guys the interior. They do have kids too, so I mean, look at this. You got milk stains here. You got car seats in the back. You got stains all over this thing. Like I said, do the best we can. It's recording, right?
Yeah.
Testing.
Look at you.
Alright, so guys, look, ready? For interior, quick little overview. We grab our interior towels, our interior detailer. I like to spray a little bit on the towel and just wipe it in. And this removes all the stains. Well, not all the stains, but like the majority of them. And for a basic detail like this, for a nice maintenance wash, this leaves a nice clean finish. Does not leave the customer worried about how dirty the interior is, and it gives you like the extra 9 yards that we do over here at Genesis Detailing. Even the babies gotta get clean too, so you know, like clean the car seats a little bit for them. Get all the milk out. Look at all those stains right there.
There's no baby there.
Bada bing, bada boom. Show them the entire inside. Done. Welcome to my crib.
Alright, we finished with the Tesla and the Lincoln. We're all done.
Go for it. Wait, what did we do to this thing?
Ruined my thing.
What did we do to this thing?
Ruined my flu. We just did a quick wash. We did the inside. We did the outside. We did the 2-bucket. You know, we vacuumed. We did the whole interior. You know, and we're just went the whole 7 steps, 9 yards. 10 yards.
We go 12 yards. We go 12 yards. I mean, look at the undercarriage. You guys saw that before. It is nice and spiffy. Wheels are clean. Paint is looking nice and glossy. Using our spray wax as always. Interior, I mean, she has 2 babies, like newborn babies. Interior's looking better than new again. So time to pull in the garage and move on to our last job of the day, which is details. So I mean, I'm probably gonna make a separate video for that one to show you guys what we do, but
This car's finished. Gonna pull it in the garage. Pack up.
On to the next, boys. Yeah.
Jacob, what are you sponsored by?
Rain.
Rain.
Drink.
The best drink in the world.
That's probably really hot. That's good.
It's kind of warm. Still bomb though. Drink Rain. What are we drinking?
Rain.
Yeah. Alright, so we're here at the last job. I'm not going to record this. I'm going to make this a whole separate video. But if you guys recognize Wes over here from D-Max Rano's channel, where I work for at headquarters. So, this is the last car. We're going to do a pretty good detail on this thing, not just a basic wash. But, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around for more detailing clips. This is literally the life of Genesis Detailing. Jacob, thank you for today. Good work today.
Thank you.
Anyways, see you guys later. Peace out. You gotta end it, bro.
Peace out. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.